And here a little trick about how to make this in the case that you have this part that are removed too fast, too easy, and so how to make. And so it's use these ones that it's invisible scotch. So in this way, tape or so on. So in this way, for example, you have this, but I always suggest you to study what is the problem, if it's this one, the problem, or the hole itself. So what you can do, simply you can make that you can cut a bit of these pieces so that it's in the way that it's the height or less of this part as size in this case, and then wrap around this one, or you can put inside. About this, eventually if you are not able to adjust, you can use a bit of scissor, or if you have to put it inside and pay attention, you can use some of these tools so that it's not a problem to manipulate inside. And in such a way you can have such effect that you can see here, so that it's much more way to put that it's stable, and you don't have the problem that it's permanent, or that, as you can see, it's visible because it's transparent, so you don't have such troubles. It's a little trick, but it works perfectly. Moreover, it can be adjusted, and if you make some mistake or so on, you can simply remove it quite easily because it's not a problem. Moreover, there is another thing that you have to pay attention, and it's that in the case that you had that it removes so on, the remaining glue eventually that remain on the piece could be anyway have a sort of grip, so that it makes less problematic about having such piece falling down by itself, as this it was the problem. So it's okay, something that you should not have problem about, but still it's something that it can be adjusted quite easily, so anyway it can be really quite nice thing to prepare. So it's really quite a good thing to think about.